With just salt and pepper, you can still make egg fried rice that's fluffy and never clumpy. The key is simple. Set the eggs first, then add the rice and stir fry until the grains separate. Hi everyone, I'm Dan. Welcome to Dan's Chinese Kitchen. Today we're making a dish that most Chinese people love, egg fried rice. You only need 3 ingredients: 1 scallion green onion, 2 eggs, and 1 bowl of cooked rice. First, slice the scallion into thin rounds. The finer you cut it, the better it blends into the rice, and it looks nicer too. In Chinese cooking, we always aim for color, aroma, and taste, the kind of food that instantly makes you hungry. Set the scallions aside. Here's a quick tip. Heat the pan over medium-high first, then add oil. Swirl it around to coat the bottom. This makes stir-frying smoother and helps prevent sticking. Crack in 2 eggs. Let them set slightly, then quickly scramble. Don't overcook, keep them tender. Set the eggs first, then combine with rice. Rhythm is super reliable. The eggs don't burn as easily, and it's easier to break up rice clumps later. Once the eggs are scrambled, add the rice. Use your spatula to press and break up first. Then stir fry until the grains look loose and a little dry on the surface. If your rice is a bit wet and wants to clump, turn the heat up and stir fry another 20 to 30 seconds to drive off extra moisture. If you accidentally cook the eggs a little too far, you can scoop them out first. Stir fry the rice until separated, then add the eggs back in and toss everything together. Egg fried rice usually fails for 2 reasons. 1, the rice is too wet and turns into clumps, or 2, the eggs get overcooked and lose that egg aroma. So today's method is the most stable one. Set the eggs first, then add rice and stir fry to separate. Once you master this base, adding ham, shrimp, or veggies is just a bonus round. If you like this kind of super simple, no-fail Chinese home cooking, don't forget to subscribe. The drier the rice, the easier it is to get that fluffy, separated texture. If your cold rice is too hard and stuck together, microwave it for 20 to 30 seconds just to loosen it up. Once the eggs and rice are evenly mixed, season with 1/3 teaspoon salt and a pinch of pepper. Toss until fragrant. Finally, add the scallions and toss quickly. Don't cook them too long. That egg aroma, rice aroma, and fresh scallion fragrance together, it's instantly appetizing. Look at that texture, separate grains, egg coating every bite, and a clean scallion finish. Remember the 3 rules. Dry rice, hot pan, set the eggs first. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to Dan's Chinese Kitchen. See you next time.